Hi guys, welcome to a short session. In this session, we have to understand the concept by doing an activity. Let's take a table and I have chosen two objects here. One, a small card, and another one is an eraser. Now we are going to measure the length of table first in terms of card. We'll do that. We'll find out how many times if we repeat the card that will give the length of the table. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's write that. Length is equal to 4 times the card. The same way we'll do using an eraser. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So almost 8 we can consider. That is equal to 8 times eraser. What is this length? This length is nothing but a physical quantity. And what are these numbers? These numbers are nothing but how many times we have repeated the card or eraser. We'll give it as numerical n into and what we have considered to measure. We have measured the length in terms of card and second one in terms of eraser. This standard quantity, whether it is a card or a piece of an eraser, which we will consider to measure the physical quantity, is known as unit. Unit is a standard quantity of fixed value, means its magnitude is fixed, that is used to measure the physical quantity. This is how we measure the physical quantity using unit. Means to say that if I repeat the unit card for 4 times, that will give us the length of the table in terms of card. And if I repeat the eraser for 8 times, that will give us the length of the table in terms of eraser. But practically we can't use the card or eraser because if you call up a furniture shop and ask them to make a table in terms of a card or eraser, they don't be able to turn out because that is not a standard unit. Conventionally, we have standard units to measure the physical quantities like centimeter, meter, and if you want to measure the weight, we have kilogram. If you want to measure the time, we can measure that in terms of second. These are the units we are considered as fixed, so that if you convey someone else, they should be able to make that product. For that we have standard units. I want you to understand unit by doing a task. Collect objects like card, your eraser and invitation card and find out how many times that unit will make any length of the table in your home. By doing this, you'll be able to understand how larger the unit is, the measurement or the number of times of repetition of the unit will be less. I think you have understood what unit is from this session. Thank you.